Hey there, YouTubers. I guess some of you guys have probably been wondering how the furnace has been doing. The furnace has been doing pretty good. It's doing its job. I mean, I'm just cleaning the filter out now. I just took the vacuum to it and I just vacuumed it out. So I'm not going to town right now to get any filters. So I'm just doing what I can right now. So, but yeah, it's been pretty good. So pretty happy with it so far. So. It's been doing its job. So. There's another pre-filter here. What the hell is this? Yeah, so it's done pretty good. No complaints, and it's done everything it's supposed to do, and so forth. So pretty happy with it. So. The only really thing the only real flaw thing I've really don't like about it too much is it sucks the power down pretty bad. So that's one of the problems with it. Other than that, it's pretty good. Not really, no big complaints or nothing like that. So, but yeah, I usually have the house. I have the house set at uh, four. It's about 14, 15 Celsius, which I like it. I don't like it too hot because it's this thing just. So here's my thermostat. Let me see if I can turn my light on for you guys to see. Here we go. That's the temperature, 14.5. Sucks down the power, so I have it pretty low temperature. Sorry, light is not too good in here. Just have one little light there, so. But yeah, so furnace is doing okay so far. So it's just working away and doing its thing. It's still better than the old oil furnace. Just to give you a little idea, basically having basically like for money wise, what this thing burns up at, if I'm using it at a steady 14 Celsius temperature to heat up the house. I know that sounds kind of cold to a lot of you people, but I mean, if you're used to 14 Celsius and used to cold weather, you kind of get used to it. So you just wear pants and a sweater most of the time. But just to give you an idea, my heating bill, or actually my power bill, is for everything in the house and running the shop and everything, works about $200 a month. So, I mean, if you run the heater, if this thing, run this thing about 20 Celsius, 18 to 20 Celsius, I mean your bill's gonna skyrocket. So, but yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it is an old house built in 1945, so it's not the best insulated. So, but yeah, it's all right. I mean, a guy can probably be a little more cheaper, but I mean, what's a guy do? Gonna be dressed in a parka in the house? Have a parka? So, it's not realistic. So, anyways, yep. So that's all I have to say about the furnace. It's like I said, it's doing okay so far. As long as I keep the temperature between 14 and 16 Celsius, it's pretty efficient. But yeah, that's all to say. Anyways, if you have any questions, post it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. There's another thing I want to show you. Here's a thermometer in the house. I think I'll pick up the temperature and on there. Kind of see what it is, so not very warm at all. Anyway, just in case you didn't believe me, but the temperature is actually in the house. And I'll show you what the temperature is outside too, so you guys can can understand what's going on here. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up that detail or not on there, but it's actually about 4 degrees outside right now. So anyway, I wonder if it'll come up a little better further away. The cat wants to be in the video. So anyways, there you have it.